Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so commands work without permission errors. Once open, pick the folder path and a concise share name. Use quotes if the path has spaces. Then type the net share command to create the share, because this publishes the folder to the network immediately. For example, net share my share equals C, /users /public /share, /grant, everyone, read. This sets who can connect. Make sure to run as admin, so the system accepts the new share settings. Once the share exists, refine permissions so people see only what they need. Use net share my share /grant, Alice, full to give a specific user full rights, or use everyone, read for broad access. Next, add options like /remark to describe the share, which helps others identify it. Then verify firewall rules and SMB protocol versions. Modern Windows may block SMB1. If the firewall is blocking or SMB mismatches occur, adjust settings. Because permission and protocol alignment, you finish by testing the share from the same PC and another device. Run netview // your PC name to confirm visibility, then map with netuse z. / your PC name / my share to verify access. Once confirmed, make the configuration persistent through a startup script or group policy so it survives reboots. If things go wrong, check Event Viewer for share-related errors, verify firewall rules, and inspect NTFS and share ACLs. Those 3 areas account for most issues, so fix them first and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.